making today, Blacky?
Today, we're going to be making the fucking nugget juice. First,
Okay.
goes in the cheese. Next, goes the bacon.
The bacon. Guys, I think he had a little bit too much MREs last night. I'm sorry. Oh, he had a hard party.
Next goes in the egg. That looks good.
Yeah?
That looks so good. Okay, so
you gotta stir it. You gotta stir it. You gotta stir it. You know you gotta stir it. You gotta stir it. No, you gotta stir it.
Stop! I gotta stir it with the nether pickaxe. Can't wait for the Minecraft movie to come out. The nether!
Chicken
Stop with the cheese! It's just little cheese! No! Okay, there we go. That is good. Now, since I'm really hungry, we're gonna grab the egg, chicken jockey.